Hello friends, Yash Mehta here. In this video, we will be discussing about the option trading plan for next week expiry. 10th of June expiry we are looking at. Let's have a look at the Nifty chart and what can be the resistance and support we can look at. As you can see, Nifty is now trading at all-time high levels, and finding out resistance is not possible based on the pivot levels also. So we will be using Fibonacci retracement to find out the resistance. So I have selected Fibonacci rule from here, and I have plotted this high to this low. This was a consolidation phase for Nifty, and as you can see, we have got this particular resistance, this particular level, 15961 and 16,071 levels. This can be the possible resistance for Nifty in upcoming weeks, and we can look to short call option in this particular range itself. So we can like short call for above 16,000 strike for Nifty. So I am just typing it here. Short calls above 16,000. And for downside, we can see that we can mark this particular uh, horizontal line. And as you can see that Nifty in this week itself had retraced to this level and again bounced back. So we can short put option below 15,431. This can be the support for Nifty for upcoming weeks. So we will be looking to short puts below 15,400. I am erasing this line now. So just remember these two levels. I will be showing the premiums of this on the terminal. So before that, there is something that I want to show. So this is India VIX chart, as you can see, and in the last week itself, so the India VIX is continuously falling from 21 to 15 levels now. And since the volatility had reduced, so option premium will reduce drastically now. So now we will have to trade less premiums, and the expected profit and will reduce in this case. So let's check the premiums for 16,000 call option and Nifty 15,400 put. So these are the premiums, and this strike will be shorting, particularly for tomorrow. And to hedge our position, we will be buying Nifty 16,200 call and Nifty 15,200 put options. So we are hedging our position to reduce unlimited risk in our liquid option short position, and the risk will reduce. And basically, it will be defined risk for a trader. And even if any sharp move happens upside or downside, then the risk is limited to that particular level itself. And the major benefit, so as we have seen that because of the reduced weeks, we have lesser premiums to take now for option writing. But the major advantage is the volatility is reduced in the market, and probably we will not see a sharp like volatile moves in Nifty or in overall market. It will be a calm phase now, and so in the last in the last 1.5 year, we are getting huge moves in Nifty also. That will now not be the case, and that's why the volatility is reduced. And along with this, the risk in the option reduced, and then the premium had also reduced significantly. So let's check the premiums. Let's check the payoff now. So I am taking all the position on this platform, and let's check how is the payoff for for our position. So 16,000 call. I am shorting by 16,000. This is the position short Nifty 16,000 call and long 16,200 call. And now we'll be adding put side. 15,400 foot. And a long 15,200 foot. So this is the payoff for our expiry for our option trading plan. So as you can see, the probability of profit is 67%. Maximum profit is 2100 only. It has reduced drastically because of the lesser premiums. Maximum loss is 12,800, and the estimated margin of premium required is 61,600. So basically, keep a margin buffer. So keep around a margin at 65,000 so that it can adjust. And this is the option trading plan, and this is the payoff. I will save this strategy and I will share it on in the description section of this video so that you can track this position live during market hours. If you like our content, then you can subscribe to our channel and don't forget to like our videos as it gives us motivation to create more content like this and guide and help all the viewers. Is if you want to, you can follow us on Twitter and Telegram. You can join us on Telegram channel also. These are the links for both. There is a disclaimer with this video. So thank you guys.